Hey everybody, and welcome back to Hugo House. Today let's talk about this 350 square foot redesigned Cape Cod Cottage. There is so much to love about this 350 square foot tiny cottage in Cape Cod. The small cottage home was redesigned by Christopher Budd and rebuilt by Tiny Cottage and Cape Cod Cape Associates. When you go inside the small cottage home, you'll find a two-level home floor plan that has an open living area and kitchen, a bathroom, and an upstairs bedroom loft. This beautiful small cottage home is one of the best tiny house designs you'll see. The exterior of this small cottage home has cedar shakes and white trim in the Cape Cod style of home design, in a home design that is lovely all around. Inside the cottage, the floor plan feels spacious with lots of windows and an open living area and kitchen with modern appliances. There is another area in the Cape Cod Cottage with a dining table that makes for a quiet space that is separate from the living area and kitchen. Every detail in this small cottage home makes for a home design that feels a lot larger than its 350 square foot floor plan. This small cottage home would be the ideal vacation home or full-time residence. When it comes to Cape Cod home design, there are some key elements which make this style work. A large central chimney is often something that you will find in a Cape Cod home design. The large central chimney is typically located directly behind the front door, with the rooms in this house clustered around it in a rectangular shape. Cape Cod home designs have steep roofs so they can quickly shed rain and snow, along with a shallow roof overhang. A Cape Cod home design has two windows on each side of the front door and often has a dormer on either side of the chimney to open up the attic space. The second floor of a Cape Cod home design was often kept for boarders or seafaring men and was accessed by a narrow flight of stairs that was otherwise known as a captain's stairway. These stairs were incredibly steep with shallow treads to minimize the use of the first floor space. Probably one of the most popular elements of a Cape Cod home design is the weathered gray shingles of a classic Cape Cod home design. But you'll also find newer Cape Cod-styled home designs built of brick, stone, and stucco. The cedar shingles were originally intended to help protect the homes against the harsh climate of the New England winters and have become a low-maintenance alternative to the siding. Dormers are another distinctive feature of the Cape Cod home design. The paired windows that usually extend from the surface of the roof are usually the first thing that you will notice. The original Cape Cod style home designs were built with dormers, but they were added to many of the homes during the 1920s. Today, dormers are often included in the original construction of Cape Cod style home designs. And that's our video, and if you like it, please consider dropping a like. It really helps this channel to grow. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to this channel. We're going to be featuring new homes every single day, from log homes to tiny homes to vacation homes and other inspiring home ideas. I hope you have a great day, and we will see you in the next video.